Welcome to dotcom Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to connect your Hostinger email in contact form 7. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the WordPress website that you want to connect your Hostinger email in contact form 7, click on WP admin. This way, you will automatically log into your WordPress website dashboard. Now go to plugins and click on add plugin. Search for contact form 7. You will see this is the official contact form by Rock Lobster. Make sure to use the correct one. Click on install now. Then activate. Now that your contact form plugin is installed successfully, go to contact and click on contact forms. You will see by default contact form 7 creates a contact form for you, and this is the shortcode to it. Now copy it like that, go to pages, then click on add page. Let's name our contact page, for example, contact me. Then click on backslash, and you can either go with the code, click on cast short code and paste your short code like that. Let's preview this, or let's publish it. Publish. Let's view this page on a new tab, and just like that your contact form will display. Another way to add your contact form to this page by hitting contact and search for contact form. This is it. Click on it and select your form from this list like that. It's the same thing. Click on save. Now that your form, let's open this page. It's the same thing. Now that our contact form is added to our page, now let's see how to connect our hosting email address to this contact form. I will go to emails. This is my domain name. Go to mailboxes in order to copy one of my email addresses, which is backup@basetutorial.com. Now go back to the WordPress dashboard, go to contact, and now below our contact form, click on edit. Here jump to the mail tab, and here instead of using site admin email, which we are not sure which address I use for my admin email, delete it like that and paste your Hostinger email address. Same thing for from. The address that you want to show up in the above the email message details should not be wordpress@basetutorial.com. It should be your own address like that. Now don't forget to hit save. And now let's test our contact form. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Now don't forget to hit save. And now let's test our contact form. So I will refresh this page, or it is best to purge all in order to clear any browser cookies. Now I will contact myself. Let's say Jack is contacting me. His email address is jack@gmail.com. Hi Ben, I am Jack. By the way, this email message should land on your backup or on your Hostinger backup email inbox. Now click on submit. Thank you for your message. It has been sent. Now let's log in to my email inbox, and as you see, my message was received almost instantly. Let's open it, and as you see, if I reply to this message, it will reply to jack@gmail.com, and this is the message body. As you see in the message body, you can see from the name and email address. The subject, you will see it here, hi Ben, and the message body is this. And of course, this is a notification that a contact form was submitted on your website. Of course, you can edit this message body by just going to the, from the form tab, you can edit. Yes, this is your name, label. No, this is responsible for editing the, let me show you. If let's say, for example, you want to customize those texts or those forms, simply go here and, for example, instead of your name, go with first name, click on save, and here we will see first name after refresh, just like that. And now to customize the message body, yes, from here, message body, this is the from, I see here, this is the name, and this is for this email address, this is it, and you can customize this message body as you want. And this is how to connect your Hostinger email to Contact Form 7 plugin on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.